Okay, so you've come home, you got a great deal on beer, and of course it wasn't in the refrigerator, so we need to have a fresh beer fast, a cold one. We don't want to drink warm beer. It just so happens that I want to chill this beer off as quickly as possible, and we're going to try 3 different methods. One of them is going to be putting it into the freezer. Another one's going to be wrapping it in a wet paper towel and then putting it in the freezer. And then the third one will be dunking it in a bowl of ice, water, and salt. And we'll find out how good this works out over a course of 5, 10, and 15 minutes. So let's start with the control. I'm going to measure the temperature of the beer, and right now it's a tepid 62.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get started. I'm going to start with doing the ice one first. So nestle the beer in the bowl and pour some water on it. I'm going to save some of this water for the wet paper towel. There we are. Noting the time is 3:58. There we are. It's getting cold already, I'm sure. Now for the paper towel. A little bit of water. And we just wrap it up here, our high-class beer. And then the third one dry, and the whole thing goes into the freezer. There we are. Goodbye, natural light. See you in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. We're going to check our cans here. Out of the bowl, we have a temperature of about somewhere between 50 and 51 degrees. Okay, the dry can in the freezer earns us 55 degrees. And then the can with the paper towel on it, now the paper towel itself is reading 48 degrees, but let's move this down. The can is 53.2, 54 in that range.
Let's try 10 minutes.
We're going to try 10 minutes. It's been another 10 minutes for a total of 15 minutes. Now let's check out our beer chilling experiment. Alright, right out of the bowl of ice water we get 50 degrees on the nose. The dry can, 54. How can that be less? How can that be more? So it's about 53, 54. And the next one is the wet towel beer can in the freezer. And we get, 45 degrees. So ice water, 47. Dry can in the freezer, 50-ish, 52. And then the one with the wet paper towel, after a little more exposure, gave us a little lower. Well, I know which beer I want.